I don't know. I just kind of have to like get over it and carry on and like try to do better, and hopefully I won't be like crying every day like this. And that's really all I can do, you know. What's worse, I've just been miserable like almost every day, but that's okay. I don't know. It's fine. I look in so much pain. Yeah, I mean, in a lot of ways, I kind of have been, but it's like, I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of not allowed to say that, or people just say I'm playing victim. And I understand how it can come off that way. Trust me, I don't like to be online like this. I really, really don't. But I just figure I have to get back on at some point.